Doing, doing.
Hey, girl, you go up. Of course I can make him go up, because he is as light as a
Look at his hair. He's got static.
Look at this. Hello.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Are you the Beatles? Sage, hey, you look like Daddy.
Except he has sad hair and you don't. Do I?
Yeah.
Oh, I want
Yep.
it. Really staticky?
A little bit.
I want to be really staticky.
Hi, Hoover dog. You want to come jump?
Hello.
You want to come jump, puppy? Huh? Huh? Maggie, you want to jump? Huh? No? Okay.
Hoover, you want to get up here, boy?
Hoover, you got an itch? Hey, buddy. Hey, boy.
Mama, you want to get
Hey,
him
Mom,
up
I was
here?
trying to get Sage
Oh,
to
he
say
don't
yes
wanna-
yesterday, and
Yeah.
it kept sounding like he was saying S.
Yeah, he says S, S, S.
No, I mean like S.
You weren't saying a bad word, were you? Hey, no, I was trying to say yes. Say yes.
It was funny though because there was
Yes.
a bunch of people like around us at the zoo, and I was like, Sage, say yes, and he just goes, shh, and I was like, no, say yes. And he said the same word, and I was like, okay, let's stop trying to say yes.
Doink. Say yes.
Mama.
Sage, can you say yes?
Try to get Hoover up here.
No, Hoover Doover will not want to be up here.
Say yes.
He's not going to be excited about being up there. Will you, Hoover?
Say yes.
Hoover, you want on the trampoline? Huh? Want on the trampoline? How about you, Fuji? You down for the trampoline? Yeah! Alright! Trampoline! Sounds good. Trampoline means steak, right?
Stop that.
Oh,
Oh, Sage, you can fly. And fall. Okay, I'm going to go make some food.
Okay.
spank.
Fuji's going to make something else.